Yes, sir. The time has finally come. We're finally going to go ahead and drive the Datsun for the first time, get a real test drive. Got to get those tires on. The moment a lot of people have been waiting for. This is the build that started the channel right here. 74 Datsun 620. So like I said, we're going to go ahead and just go get those tires switched out. And then we'll be able to get our first cruise in it. See how that Beams engine handles. So far, so good. Running clean, running good, sounding good. What y'all think, man? It's the first time you guys see it move. There it is, though. You guys see it. Running pretty good. Might just take it down the street real quick just to see how it's running. Everything's looking pretty good though. We got a nice big old straight road. Test her out. There she goes. That shit sounds good. Y'all hear the beams. So now we're just gonna go get these tires on and then do little tune-ups, little adjustments. Then we can get some real good pulls. So right now we'll go ahead and get those wheels off, take them on over to the shop. Get those new tires on. All right, there we go. Got all those wheels off. Now we're gonna go ahead and head on over to the shop. All brand new, good to go. Now we'll go ahead and get those installed. There we go, just like that. We slip those on real quick. Bolt them up, clean them up, make them look good. And then we can finally give her a little test run. Now that we got those on, we'll go ahead and just give it a quick little rinse. Got a bunch of dust and spider webs from sitting for a while. But damn, shit came out clean, guys. All right, there it is after a quick little rinse. Looking a lot better. And it's still not completely 100% done yet. Obviously, he's got to add little touches here and there. Rims in the future. So this is where it's at now though. It's driving, moving, and sounding good. Come a long way. For those who've been watching from the beginning, it's come a long way. Thing used to be a bucket. Now it's here. All right, now we'll go ahead and move it again one more time. get another drive, get another feel for it. There we go, starts right up, no problem. Let me go ahead and show you guys this interior for those who haven't seen it. Interior is pretty much done, as you can see. We got all the panels, got the center console in. You guys see the screens. Pretty much like I said, man, it's just little minor details that we need. It's just very minor little details that we still need. Just little touches here and there, but I mean, you guys can see it, man. This thing's looking mint. What you guys think? What should be the next mods? There we go, gonna do another little test run with these new tires, make sure everything's good. Ooh, there it is. Got a little pops in there. That thing's pretty fast, huh? Yeah?
I hit a bump and I was like, oh,
shit. Sheesh. Got pretty good power for this light ass truck, so. All right, now we'll go ahead and hop inside and get a little POV. All right, here we go. We got the first POV from the interior. Got our gauge screen working. Ooh. We finally made it to this point, guys. Too long. Been waiting too long. This shit quick. That's real quick. You got that much power in a really light truck.
electric power steering. Easy to turn. Oh, it's running out of gas.
Huh?
It's running out of gas.
Yeah.
That's why it was.
It's starting to struggle a little bit. Gotta get gas. And there it is though, first POV, first drive. Shit's immaculate. We gotta go put some in a can later.
Yeah.
So yeah, our fuel's at 3%, 4%, 5%. Right there, you can see it. 4%.
Oh, she's shutting off. Yep. It's running out.
Time to shut off, low on gas.
I don't want to shut it off though. Get through the gates.
Yeah.
See if we have enough to make it.
Ooh. Not bad for a little truck.
To run good, it probably needs like at least half a tank.
Yeah. Gotta get gas, and you guys, that shit was already starting to shut down. We're gonna go ahead and put her back in the tent. All right, we're back here a few days later, finally taking it down out of its little storage area. Don't need that shit no more. The Datsun finally moves, finally drives, got the tags, everything ready to go. So I'm gonna move it to my brother's house where he'll be storing it. He's gonna be driving it, dailying it. So there'll be more videos on this later, you know, when he gets rims, does little touch-ups and shit. So it's been a long time, fellas. Come a long way. We went ahead and got a little more gas because it was running out. So go ahead and put in a few gallons. And it should be good to go. I'll go ahead and show you guys the headlights too. I don't think I've ever shown you guys those while they're on. So there it is though. For anyone that hasn't seen it, there's a beam swap. Sorry if it's a little dark already, but if you want to go in other videos, some older videos that I got with this truck, there's some day shots of the engine bay, but here it is real quick. Give y'all a nice little close-up. There it is, man. About to get her started up and out of here. Here's our screen. You can see that better now that it's dark. There it is. So we're able to see everything with this gauge, you know, everything you're supposed to see: gas, coolant, temperature, everything, your levels. If you were to do turbos, you could also, does everything, does it all. There's our headlights, as you can see. Just checking all our lights before we get out of here. They look pretty good. See the halos. Not bad, not bad. Go look at the tail lights. Tail lights looking good too. Good to go, good to go. That's gonna be pretty much it for the Datsun though. You guys see that we got a lot done. A lot of new mods coming up in the next few videos, so stay tuned for that truck. And as far as for the next video, you know, we're gonna get the silver auto. We're pretty much done with all the installation of the cam, all the pieces, fan, radiator. So that's gonna be coming up in the next video, getting that started. And that's pretty much it, man. So stay tuned and see you on the next video.